Next up, the Railway Extract for both PMCs and scavs on Interchange. As you can see, I'm over by the north side of the mall, which is usually depicted as the left side on maps by idea. We're outside the front of the mall, and what we need to do is effectively head to this corner of the map directly opposite idea. You'll see it because of this long highway or whatever it is up here. Down in that corner is where we need to head. Usually if you come this way, it's relatively safe. If you travel underneath the bridge here, there's a couple of barrels and things you can pick up, like one here, on your way down there. If you choose to go this way instead, do keep in mind that there are scavs by the scav camp over here, and there's quite a lot of open land over on this way with trees and tons of hidden stashes or barrels. So on your way out, choose one of these ways to go. If you go this way, you can pick up 3 loot caches on your way out when you get to that corner, and this way, I'm pretty sure only 1 barrel on your way out. So effectively, all we need to do is run down to the extreme corner of the map over here. This is the northwest side of the map, usually drawn as the bottom left side. It is quite a jog away, so if you find that you're low on stamina, heading through the trees is usually the best thing to do, lying down in the meanwhile. When you get here, it's pretty much just a blind sprint towards the end of the trains over here. Obviously, traveling around the back, if you're carrying high value loot, you can exit on both sides, if not all sides of the train on this edge here. So the Railway Exfil is available here. We can also travel in between the trains for some more cover down here. And of course, we can head around the far side if we choose to lie down or come around from this way in the first place. We can also extract over here. It's a very safe exfil and usually a very good choice if you're trying to extract with lots of items worth a lot. If you choose to travel to Emacom, it's a lot more empty. Usually you'll have either Railway or Emacom. They're basically on polar opposite sides of the map. The northwest side is Railway and the southeast side is Emacom. If we have a look on a map over here, we'll see that this way is north. Here's Idea on the north side of the mall, or rather the left side, and down to the left is the Railway Extract over here. Once again, scav camp with scav spawns. Usually it's pretty safe to come in from this left side here. Also, sometimes scavs can spawn on the bridge here, and I think maybe even a boss sometimes. But anyway, if you find your way down here, it's usually a very safe extract, especially if you stick around the boundary walls here. It's very safe. Okay, look, there's 2 more stashes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stashes on your way out should you choose to come through the trees. Anyways, that's about it for this very quick guide. Hopefully you find your way here safely. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!